Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In this video, I'll be solving ISS 2017 paper 1 for you, and you will be getting more of the solutions of this paper in the next video. So stay tuned and keep checking our channels. These videos will be helpful for your MSc entrances. This video also will be helpful for your ISS entrance, and moreover you can also brush up your statistics concepts with this. So let me start with question number 21. First, I'll read out the question to you. In question number 21, we have that there is a table in this question actually, and I'll be reading the question to you. So the table is marks more than and number of candidates. This is for 0, it will be 500. For 10, this will be 460. For 20, this will be 400. For 30, this will be 200. For 40, this will be 100. For 50, this will be 30. So in question number 21, we are asked, if 60% of the candidates pass the paper, then what will be the minimum marks obtained by a pass candidate? Okay. So now we will recreate this table once again. Marks, frequency, relative frequency, cumulative frequency, and finally the CF. Zero to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and greater than 50. This is 40, this is 60, this will be 200, this is 100, this is 70, this is 30, this will be 0.08, this will be 0.12, this is 0.40, 0.20, 0.14, 0.06. You might be wondering how I derived this relative frequency. It's nothing but frequency by total number of the candidates. That is, for 0 to 10, you can take frequency 40 and you have to divide it by total number of candidates, that is 500. Then again you will have to do it for 60, 200, 500, 70 and 30. So now cumulative frequency will be 0.08, 0.2, 0.6, 0.8, 0.94, and this will be 1. And CF will be 40, 100, 300, 400, 470, and 500. Now the totals will be, this will be 500, this will be 1, this is 501. Yes. Now 60% of 500 is equals to 300. Now 60% are passed, so 40% have failed, are failed. Hence minimum passing marks lies in 20 to 30. So minimum passing marks lies between, let me add a page, 20 to 30. Let it be x. So 40 plus 60 plus 200 by 10 multiplied by x minus 20 is equals to 200. This gives us 20 multiplied by x minus 20 is equals to 100. That gives x is equals to 25, which is option number B. So option number B for question number 21 is correct. 21 has option B as its correct answer. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries on ISS. We will be getting more of the solutions of ISS in our next video, so stay tuned and keep checking.